Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the connector, any connector really, on with just hot air. And I have discovered this just kind of randomly, actually. Let me do it first. Hopefully I won't burn it up, and then we'll go from there, okay? So here you go, connector, clean connector. I'm going to put this back without burning it, hopefully. Alright. I'm going to turn the air up just a little bit. Now we'll show you guys, hopefully I don't burn it. Never done this before, actually. I've tried to do it, but unsuccessful. There's a fine line between burning this sucker and melting the solder, because the plastic melts too. So the idea is to get it just hot enough so the solder melts and the plastic doesn't. Right? So we're getting close. There you go. You see it? There you go. Boom, right there. And we're done. So after you do this, you really should still probably go over it and just make sure all the joints are solid and stuff like that. Okay, so how did I do it, right? Well, take the tip off of your hot air gun. Take the tip off your hot air gun, and so basically just use a tipless quick 861 DW. I have my temperature set at 415 with a flow rate of 10, and basically you just kind of hold it back and just kind of heat it. You're really just heating it, kind of like an oven, and eventually the solder will melt when it gets warm enough, and it'll kind of poof and come right back down. So that's the simple way of soldering a connector on. I've always wondered how this works, and I actually stumbled upon this kind of randomly. Actually, I was trying to take the shield off. Right, it had this Kapton tape over it, and as soon as the shield popped off, the Kapton tape was stuck to the shield, and all these components came off clean, super clean. So anyway, so that's kind of how you do it. All right. Enjoy. You can kind of take a look too. The connector is pretty solid, actually. And this is lead-free solder too. I mean, geez, look at that. That's pretty, right? I mean, that's pretty solid right there. I don't even think I need to reflow any of these. I mean, I'm gonna wiggle it and see if it works, but that's good. So that takes a lot less time than what I was doing before with these damn connectors. So maybe I can lower the price on these connector repairs now, right? All right, peace out.